Compare TCP to UDP. This topic explains how these two core transport protocols differ in reliability, speed, and usage. Think of TCP as certified mail and UDP as a quick postcard. One guarantees delivery, the other values speed. TCP uses connection-oriented communication, ensuring all data arrives in order without loss. It's like a conversation where both sides confirm every statement before moving on. UDP is connectionless, sending data without checks or acknowledgements. It's like shouting information across a room and moving on, whether heard or not. TCP is ideal for web browsing, file transfers, and emails where accuracy matters. UDP is used for live video, gaming, and voice calls where speed is critical. From networks to applications, choosing TCP or UDP depends on the balance between reliability and latency. It's all about the right tool for the right job.